Hello friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. In this video, we're gonna learn how to prepare authentic Ghanaian abenquai. So let's get started. So with this recipe, you can use any meat of your choice. I have here smoked chicken, crab, cow skin, and mushroom. It's gonna be very simple soup. Okay, next I'm adding here my salt. I'm adding some pepper, that is mokusam. I'm adding my herb seasoning, half onion, and one fresh tomatoes. On this side, I have here ginger, onion, and garlic. I'm gonna blend and then add it into the soup. And also, I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. So blend everything together, and that is what we're gonna use to season our meat. Like I said, friends, so you can add any meat that you have in your freezer. It doesn't have to be the exact meat that I'm using. Yeah, so I'm adding about 1 cup of water, and I'm gonna cover it and have it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's doing really well. So after 10 minutes, I'm gonna open my fresh Palmnut Cream. This blend is actually from this lady called Precious, and I really love her Palmnut Cream. It tastes just like the one that we have in Ghana. In fact, she did a very good job on this. And when you read on the ingredients, it has like 100% palm nuts, like it's not altered at all, and I really love that. So I'm gonna remove my onion, tomato, and blend it and put it aside. So on this part, I'm just giving it a little stir, and then I'm gonna cover it back on, and then we're gonna get ready for our soup. So yeah, just go ahead and pour everything in here. This is the palm cream I'm adding. I know you guys have different ways of making or preparing your palm nut soup, and this is the easiest way that I usually cook my palm nut soup because I feel like it's easy. So right now I'm adding hot water in here. I don't really remember the measurement because I didn't even measure, but yes, I know exactly the amount that I need to make this soup. So figure it up until you feel like it's good to go. So next I have here pepper, onion, and tomato. I'm gonna blend and add it into that soup right there. So yeah, after you add everything, cover it up and then let it cook for about an hour. Yes, it needs to cook well. On this side, I'm getting my eating fruit ready. That is percocet. Yeah, ready, because this gives a nice aroma to that soup, you know what I mean? And also its medicinal value, it's just an extra. Okay, with this you can purchase from any African shop near you. And I'm adding here bakushiito, that is green habanero pepper. And after you add it, go ahead and throw your eating fruit or percocet in there. And now it's been cooking about 45 minutes, so I'm going to give it an extra 20 minutes and our soup will be ready. And of course, you all know that we love our fufu with our palmnut soup. That's what we usually eat with, but you can eat with rice, potatoes, plantains, bangkun, fufu. This soup is like African favorite. They love it. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. So I see you on my next one. Stay safe guys.